Hey there, science explorers! Welcome to Super Science Adventure! And today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of the water cycle. Are you ready? Let's go! So, what is the water cycle? It's the journey that water takes from the ground to the sky and back again. It's like a big, never-ending adventure. The water cycle has three main parts: evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Let's see how they work. First up, we have evaporation. Imagine you're at the beach on a sunny day. The sun's heat turns the water from the ocean into tiny water droplets, and they float up into the sky. Cool, right? This process is called evaporation. It's like magic. The water turns into vapor and rises up, up, up. Next, let's talk about condensation. Once those water droplets are up in the sky, they get together to form clouds. It's like a big water droplet party. As the air cools, these water droplets stick together to form clouds. That's condensation. And now for the grand finale, precipitation. When the clouds get too heavy, the water falls back to the ground as rain, snow, or hail. This is precipitation. It's what keeps our rivers full, plants green, and makes puddles to splash in. And there you have it, the amazing water cycle from evaporation to condensation to precipitation. Remember, water is always on an adventure, just like you. Thanks for joining me on this super science adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome science fun. See you next time. Keep exploring, keep discovering, and always stay curious.